Hello, my Halloween friends. This is Kim from This Darn Chick. I wanted to show you a little candle that I made. I just love the skeleton in the bowl. So this is how I did it. I started off with one skeleton that I got from the Dollar Tree. I took a bowl that was a red bowl, and I went ahead and I spray painted it black on the insides and the outside of it. And I got a little bit more of the spray paint basically on the outside than I really needed on the inside. So if you can see from sides to bottom, the top there. I got myself a little skeleton that come from Michael's, and I took each part of the legs off because I knew that we weren't going to need those. So you can see that there. And I took each one of his ghoulish arms off by using my pliers. So I wanted to make sure that we were still going to use those. And I took my skeleton and kind of measured him out there, and I used my hot glue gun to glue the back of his spine. And so I glued it all the way up and down, and then after that I go ahead and press him to the side of the bowl. You just want to make sure that he's actually really secure there so he doesn't drop off or anything or fall into the bowl, because we want him actually up at the top, because this bowl is going to be his, basically he's going to look like he's taking a bath, but it's going to be in a candle. So I took the arms that I had broke off onto the sides, and I'm just going to hot glue the back of each arm on the top rim of the bowl. Make sure that when you do this, the arms are really secure. Try to put as much hot glue as possible and kind of frame him to where he looks like he's sitting in a tub. And make sure that his hands are just put down there just tight enough. There we go. Make sure he's on the side there. And so now you want to take a pan of water. Doesn't have to be very much. And then you want to go ahead and use a metal cylinder so you'll be able to put your wax inside of it. I usually use my hot glue gun there to take the wicks, and I pull the wicks through the little silver, they're kind of like little silver tongs that are at the end. And so now what I'm doing is I'm mixing up my batch with the falling leaves. And then I'm also taking the orange dye and adding a few drops of orange dye in there in order to create the color for his bath. And the type of candles that I use when it comes, I never use paraffin. I always use like the soil. And so here he is where he's finished. And it came out really great. I was really surprised with him. I hope you like this tutorial. Have a ghoulish night.
Boo!